A while back, I made a video where I cleaned up this honeycomb bed, and it was in pretty bad shape. I'll pop up a photo. But on that video, I got several suggestions for how to make it easier to clean. And the one that popped up the most was to use aluminum foil or aluminium, depending on where you're watching from. So I've got 2 layers of heavy-duty aluminum foil. I'm going to put the honeycomb back on it. I'm going to run this laser for about 30 days or so, and then come back and we'll see if it worked. Welcome to the channel. I'm Dave, and we'll see you folks in about 30 days. So it's been more than 30 days, more like 6 weeks since I put the aluminum foil down. But I haven't been able to use the laser as much as normal. Been busy with other stuff. So we're going to pull this up together and see what it looks like, and see if it made it easier to clean or not. Let me just get this out of the way. Probably should have done that before. All right, let's pull it up, see what it looks like. Well, still pretty dirty, but let's see if it comes off easy. And it looks like it does. So I'm going to agree with the folks that told me that the aluminum foil would help, and that is the heavy duty. All this mess was here from before. It was really bad. I shouldn't have let it get that bad, but I did. So I think I'm going to put some more aluminum foil on here, and I'll start doing that. Maybe try some of the other recommendations that folks had. But it'd be worth your time to give it a try. All right, folks, I appreciate it. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel grow. And it helps keep me out in the shop doing stuff and trying new things, and then I can share it with you folks. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.